Sa ibang balita, nagbabala ang National Bureau of Investigation o NBI sa mga opisyal ng lokal na pamahalaan na huwag magpalakad kung kani-kanino ng mahalagang dokumento. Nagreklamo kasi ang Department of Budget and Management o DBM matapos makatanggap ng peking Special Allotment Release Order o SARO para sa 70 milyong pisong Farm to Market Road Project ng Munisipalidad ng Pakil sa Laguna. Nasa likod ng pamimeke si Christine Joy Angela Gonzales na matagumpay na naaresto ng Anti-Organized Crime Division ng NBI matapos magkamal ng higit 1 milyong piso mula sa naturang proyekto. Tumangging humarap sa media si Gonzales na kasalukuyang nakakulong kakabit ang mga kasong syndicated estafa, falsification of private individuals at use of falsified documents.
This will be a warning to our local government officials not to deal with these people who pose as somebody who can influence the DBM. I think that's not possible with DBM this time. We have he have introduced a new system wherein hindi na paperless yung yung mga SARO. So merong certification dito stating that the SARO is not a SARO that is usually issued by the DBM.